Welcome to Willow's Run, a quintessential family farm located in one of the most beautiful regions in the country, with a mild climate and charming culture. This pristine property boasts an amazing combination of natural beauty, outdoor lifestyle, great water rights, and a stunning log home. As you enter the property through the gate, you are immediately greeted by sprawling lawns, towering mature trees, and the majestic curb appeal of the custom log home. Around the home is lush landscaping, a large fenced yard with a beautifully kept garden, fruit orchard, chicken coop, and more. The view from the deck and covered patio is nothing less than inspiring. The majestic log home welcomes you with all the warmth and inviting charm of a northwestern lodge. An open concept floor plan with soaring ceilings, a main level master suite, beautiful views, and a gorgeous chef's kitchen are just the beginning. The kitchen was recently updated with all new custom cabinetry, granite countertops, high quality stainless appliances, and more. The master suite is spacious and includes a walk-in closet and private bathroom. A beautifully updated powder room and laundry room round out the main level. Upstairs is a large loft, 2 guest bedrooms, a guest bathroom, and a large bonus room. The farm has irrigation rights from both the Applegate River and Thompson Creek, which flows over 2,000 feet along the property's eastern boundary. Historically, the pasture has produced quality grass and alfalfa mix hay, but with strong water and Class II loam soils, the land is ideal for many different types of agriculture. The property also has a small vineyard, which is great for the hobbyist winemaker. The shop is 42 by 42 and is the perfect complement to the property. The floor plan includes a raised center aisle, a winemaking room, wood shop, storage room, and bonus room. The entire building is finished and conditioned with a ductless heat pump system. A horse barn with 2 stalls and feed room, garden shed, and wood shed round out the property's infrastructure. This wonderful opportunity is located just a short walk from the town of Applegate and less than 16 miles from historic Jacksonville. Situated in the Applegate Valley, the region is characterized by a beautiful landscape, a well-known wine trail, great outdoor recreation, and the Applegate River flowing from Applegate Lake down to the Rogue River. Thank you for touring this property with us today.